Okay, so I am going to be showing you how I created my latest video. I'm going to click on this button here, the Bitpaper's newest feature, and I'm going to click on the background and choose a color. So I've got the blue here because it's going to be by the beach. So click on that again to get rid of that, and we're going to draw the coconut tree. So I'm going to click on the palette and choose the nearest color to brown because we haven't got brown, so we've got orange, and I'm gonna make that big so we can fill up the tree really quickly. And so I'm gonna click on the pen and draw our tree. I'm just gonna fill that in, so make sure you choose the bigger writing so it will fill up the tree quite quickly. Now I'm going to go back to the palette and choose a smaller number here so I can draw the lines on the tree. So I'm going to use the black color and draw my lines. Now I'm going to choose the green color for my leaves and just click on Z to get rid of that and make it a bit bigger so it will fill in quickly. And now I'm gonna draw my leaves. Or I can just make that quicker really. And there. Now I'm going to choose a smaller number here to create the veins for my leaves. That's too big, so I'm gonna choose a thinner one. There you go, and maybe that. Still really bigger. Sorry. And that should be okay. There. And there we go. Okay, now I'm going to draw my coconut tree of my coconut, and it's gonna be yellow because again we got no brown. So I'm gonna choose a circle, so go to the shapes and draw circles. So here okay, there we go. I can, if you want to tilt your coconut, you can click on the highlight and then just rotate it, and there, and maybe the one that direction. There you go. Now I'm going to create the sun, so yellow again, so make that bigger and click on the circle still, and that's my sun, and click on the pen to fill that in. Go back to the palette, make it smaller for the rays, and if you want to draw straight lines, either click on the ruler here or just click on the shift. Okay, if you happen to hear some background noise, I apologize, that's my husband watching a film on telly. So these are the rays. There you go. Now I'm going to create the container, and for blue color, and I'm gonna make that a bit bigger here and click on that again to make that disappear. I'm just gonna highlight this unwanted dots. So I'm going to click on the cylinder there, and okay, and there you go. Oh, that's too big. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller than that, and back again. Oops, cylinder. Yeah, choose the cylinder, that will help. And there you go. Now I'm going to type in the numbers of letters, and I would use numbers because I'm a math teacher, but if you want letters, we can do the letters as well. I'm just gonna choose red and letter here. So I'm gonna type in D and click on another color, and I can choose black and I type in I, and another color can have the green and N, and another color, so I can, oops, another color here, and I'll choose orange and type in A. Oh, that's not orange. Hold on. Okay, so some mistakes there. Now I'm gonna click on orange and type in A and click done and the pen, so that will go away. There you go. Now I'm going to click on the arrow, and so I could highlight the letters and put it in the container. You can make that bigger, by the way, if you want. Just change this number on the font, make it bigger or smaller. Okay, I want to keep it like that, so there you go. Now if you want to create the lid, and click on the green color, click on the circle, and just make sure that it's bigger so you can draw your container in one go. And there you go. Just gonna click on that. Now if you want to move it, click on the arrow again, highlight it, and put it on the lid. Now you can take it out, highlight on the letters, take them out, throw them out. There you go. And there you can get your pupils to highlight them, and then form some names or whatever. I'm gonna form my name. I like my name, so I've got DI, so that's for Dina. There you go. And you can put your lid back. You can also create some clouds if you want. Click on white there, click on the pen, and just create the clouds there. Okay, and then you can have some birds. And there you go. Hope that helps.